Angel. You are very old and very scary, but your wall art is in an atrocious state. And there is nothing you can do to keep me from my sacred task of restoration. Applejack? If you went back to Ponyville, that means I win, right? Rarity. I know hiding isn't really your sense of humor, but please let this be a joke.
Rainbow? Hello? I guess if I don't find you, I'll win by default, right?
Of all the castles in Equestria, this is by far the most ungrateful! Angel! Rarity! Oh, I hope you two are together.
One shiny.
Hunted
Three
statues, creepy
googly
armor.
eyes.
Come on, Castle!
A
Is that all you got?
wavy arm. Big sharp teeth. It's a monster.
It's a bear!
Jump through the pumpkin patch. Swim through the river. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Run through the forest. Crunch, 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 crunch. Go in the house. Close the door. Get under the bed.
Probably just more strange
monster.
sounds of this old castle
I'm
falling
never
apart.
Scared?
going on a bear.
No one likes sarcasm,
Again.
Spike.
Hey, do you want to play too?
What got into them? It's okay, Angel. You're okay. You're okay.
Yeah! Shadows everywhere!
Angel! All right, everybody, stop!
Twilight?
Must save Angel. Oh. Fluttershy, what are you doing here? She's with me. Thank you. Have you all spent the whole night running around scaring each other?
Well, that depends.
On what? On whether or not you're the Pony of Shadows.
What's the Pony of Shadows?
Oh, that's just an old pony's tale.
Then who's playing that?
We're going to find out.
I thought you had to ring the school bell all week.
Oh yeah, I only had to ring it for like 5 minutes. They said that was good enough. Yeah, can't imagine why. So So then, I decided to throw a finish ring in the school bell party. But I didn't have any bluebells, and you can't throw a finish ring in the school bell party without bluebells. So I went to Evergreen Forest to pick some, but it started to get so chilly. I had to wrap myself up in the tarp I was going to use to scare the flowers. And then I saw Fluttershy and Rarity, but they went into the castle before I could invite them to my party. Luckily, I followed them inside so I could help you all with your party.
What party is that?
The every pony come to the scary old castle and hide from each other while I play the organ party? Duh!
I swear this is going right back where I found it just as soon as I returned it to its former glory.
Now don't go running off again. Oh, I can't believe I was so frightened. Guess I let my imagination get the best of me.
I think we all did.
I always let my imagination run away from me. Then it comes back with cake.
Well, it's good to know that whenever your imagination is getting away from you, a good friend can help you rein it in. And even though I didn't find anything out about the mysterious chest, I'm glad I was here to help all of you.
You certainly did that, Twilight.
Yeah! Why weren't you scared? Reading Celestia's diary made it hard to be afraid because I knew what it was like when she and Luna lived here. Knowing something about the past made it easier to deal with my problems in the present, even the scary ones. I just thought of a great idea. Why don't we keep a journal, just like the Royal Pony Sisters?
All of us?
Sure! That way we can learn from each other. And maybe someday other ponies will read it and learn something too.
What a splendid idea!
I know what my first entry will be. Dear Diary, I'm glad Granny Smith's legend wasn't true.
Me too. Me 3, because that means you two are still tied for most daring pony!
Shadow ponies? How ridiculous is that?